Hey, what up guys, Frankie here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 4 summer staples that you should have in your closet this season. Now with these, these were things that I already had in my closet, so I didn't have to spend any new money. Keyword, I didn't spend any new money and when I get these pieces because they were all things that I already had. So, first up, you definitely need you a pair of good shades. Now these are Cartier. Don't get all wide-eyed because I got these on an extreme sale at Nordstrom Rack. Anytime you have a little extra money and you want to get some designer stuff, go to Nordstrom Rack because it may be a little old or maybe a couple seasons back, but it's still the same designer and fashion does nothing but repeat itself. So with these, they were originally like $6.95 or somewhere around that area. I got them for like $65. 69 or something. It was around that range, and they're super dope, authentic. They have the wood grain little frame at the wood grain paneling at the end of the frame, which I love. Anything, it's like a cheetah print more than like a wood grain, and it has like this light gold frame around the entire glass, and then the actual shade, the glass part of it has this dope little ocean ombre blue with it. Complimented my face extremely well, so I just went ahead and spent the money splurged. I didn't wear them that much last season because I had got another pair of shades that I were wearing out. I'm sure you guys remember those Versace shades I wore in like every picture. But hey, spend that money and you finally get you something good, you're going to wear it out. So that's exactly what I did. But I mean, you want to have a good pair of shades in your closet for obvious reasons. They're not only will they protect your eyes while the sun is beaming and it's super hot, but they just make any outfit look extremely dope, regardless of what it is. But definitely just keep in mind, you kind of want to try on a couple frames, actually, to see which frame will fit your face the best. I had to try on a lot because my face fluctuates, especially with weight, depending on how it goes. However, just make sure you get you a good summer staple sunglass, please. Oh, summer staple sunglass. Next, we have these like a staple short. Now I was going to originally go with just like a bleached denim cut off jean short, but I feel like it's so typical and we have to have that every season. It's like a staple that we already have to have. But you definitely want to get a printed short now. These are Burberry. I got them from a thrift store in like the good area. And I had to get them. They were extra large, way too big for me and super long, so I hemmed them at the bottom. And I took the waist in at the back. I only did it one side, I think, yeah. And then from there, I kind of just made them, like, jazz them up. I was going to change the button, but I didn't want it to lose their flair. But you definitely want to have a short that is a statement. What I mean by short that's kind of like a statement is like a print, a floral, a Novacek, or something that stands out, because in the summer heat, you're not going to be one to layer. You're not even really going to wear a jacket or a rim breaker. You want to put a tank, some socks. You're going to want to put it on a tank, some shorts, and a good pair of sneaks. And you at least want the outfit to be somewhat fashionable. And the easiest way to get very fashionable is have something that stands and pops out. So that's why you definitely want to have a staple statement short. Next, my personal favorite, and I've been talking about this with you guys a lot, is a graphic or caption type of tee. Regardless the season, man, you definitely, and I'm probably going to talk about this in a lot more videos, because you need to have this in your closet one way or another. They have a million of them, and t-shirts are like non-negotiable. You're going to wear them one way or another. It's about embracing them or figuring out, when you're going to wear them. So this one I got from Free Before 11. I actually bought this one. Yeah, I bought this one. And it's super dope. The highlighter neon colors are super in right now. So that's kind of the trendy thing about it. I will be able to wear it again, but not as much, but definitely be able to wear it again. I just had to. They did like a little rendition of the Rolling Stones' Tongue, and it was just, I had to. I was super in love with it. The reason that, of course, like I said, you need one is because they go with anything. You can style them a bajillion different ways. Wear them with those perfect sunglasses or that staple short that you had, that statement short that you have and want to wear. And either way it go, it's just going to look good and it's easy. The key to summer styling is you just want to keep it as easy and fluid as possible. Lastly, these are probably like my favorite things at the moment, because these shoes, like, I was so proud of myself when I DIY'd them. I did a DIY video on how to make these shoes with the hard eyes on them. So I painted them, did everything myself, and you can kind of see I kind of like wore them out because I've been wearing them so much. But you want to have a good, comfortable, light shoe. Now, I would recommend like a little skipper like this, like something style like a Chuck. I actually got these on sale at Michael's. When I did the DIY video like a month or two ago, they were actually on sale for $6.99. I had already had the paint. I literally had already everything. I just had to buy the shoe. And it turned out like a very dope little art project that I can wear out. And I've wore these so many times. They're super comfortable. They match with everything. And I get a lot of compliments on them because they just flow. Like, shoes are that stopping point of an outfit that literally kind of can make or break it. So you want to make sure that you have a good, decent shoe that you can always wear a million different times. That can literally be at the edge of the bed and make your outfit it. So that is literally it and quick. That's how you really want to be when you're styling this summer. You want to always make sure that you have a pair of good sunglasses, a good staple statement short, a good staple statement t-shirt, graphic tee, caption tee, just anything that's logo blazing across the face that you want people to look at that catches the eye, and a good pair of shoes, whether it be sandals, a pair of sneakers. Sandals are always a given. They're easy and nice to out, but they have so many different styles of sandals and so many different styles of sneakers. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share. I will see you next time.